Hey guys, and welcome to YPCTV's Property News Update UK edition. Today's Tuesday the 24th of August 2010 and I'm Alegre-Wood. Okay, so what we're going to cover today, first of all, could your mortgage hit 14% by 2012? Unlikely, I'm saying. It's an interesting thing that people will do to grab headlines, and this is one of the possibility. It's basically a worst case scenario. I can't see it happening. We'll talk about why. Scarcity of new build properties will prop up the market, and we'll look at Bovis Homes and what's happened there with them, and the fact they're in profitability, which is good news. Australia returns a hung or UK style hung parliament, and we'll have a look at the implications of that and see how it differs from the UK. Don't get suckered into a cheap rate mortgage. Okay, there's lots of talk about fixing. There's lots of talk about all sorts of mortgages. So I just thought I'd throw my two bids in, as well as lifetime trackers. And it's a good story because I love lifetime trackers. It means we've got certainty throughout the lifetime. We can keep that loan forever. And I'll talk about a few of my mortgages that I've got. Cost of living rises. Inflation is here. Now look, make no mistake, we've got to get used to inflation. For the next few years, at least 4 or 5 years, we're going to be having inflation. We're going to be dealing with it. It's good for us, it's good for us if we've got debt, okay? If we've got debt against a capital appreciating asset. If you've got money in the bank, it's horrible. If you're surviving off a pension, it's horrible. So you need to be a property investor, okay? Why our clients are having a field day. We'll have a look at that and I'll sort of explain a bit more details in that. So my thoughts for the week, look, you need to wade through the thick fog. There's so many negative articles. There's so many worst case doomsday scenarios. There's so many things being put out there. But actually, and what I said there, or just stand up and stick your head above it all. Because actually, this is the interesting thing. You can just stand up and you're out of it. Because it's all sort of rubbish and garbage they're coming up with, all sorts of things to get headlines. And really, a lot of it, whilst it is possible, and yes, it is fathomable, at the end of the day, was it likely to happen? Probably not, okay? And certainly not some of the scenarios that people are coming up at the moment. Okay, so let's jump into it. So, mortgage rates may